Alright, so this is gonna be an unboxing video of the white white PlayStation 500GB PS4 with the Destiny bundle. Alright, so on the box on the front you've just got pictures of Destiny, obviously the white console, the controller, the games with the 1 month free PlayStation Plus. On the sides it's just pretty much the same. On the back it's just got some controller information, the app, the PSVR headset and films and stuff. Not much really. Other side just tells you what you get in the box. So let's open it. Alright, so there we are, outside the shell. And then open up the other box. See, I know there's plenty of other PlayStation unboxings, but I only did this one because this is a white one, and I was just trying to look for white PlayStation unboxings and there weren't very many of them. Right, so first of all you just get welcome to PlayStation, startup guides that no one ever reads, and a load of other PlayStation safety guides, and your guarantees. Then you get the white DualShock 4. Never really been a PlayStation gamer, so can't really give a comparison compared to the DualShock 3. I've got it, but can't really give a comparison because I never really used it. Always been an Xbox gamer. Also, I bought some of these thumbstick covers because people always complain about the thumbsticks on the DualShock 4 wear quickly. So I bought some thumbstick covers, £4 off Amazon. Obviously in the bundle you get the Destiny game. So I'll open that in a bit. As for cables, you're gonna get the power cable, you get some little microphone which is very flimsy compared to an Xbox One, but hey ho. You get the charging cable, micro USB. And you get a nice HDMI cable. And that's it for cables. And for main event, give me a sec. And then take off the wrapper of the white PlayStation. And there we are. Obviously you got your dish tray at the front. You got your USB ports. On that side you don't really have too much. This side you can't really see, but you got your brands like your Blu-ray and all that stuff. And on the back you've got your power cord, your HDMI, and all the other stuff that you use for your PlayStation camera and whatnot. So yeah, I'm just gonna get Destiny opened up. Alright, so here's the Destiny game opened up. Our Samsung coverage got pictures, the Vanguard Armory Edition. There's pictures and all that stuff. Inside you're gonna get the disc, obviously. And you're gonna get Gear Up Day 1 with codes. My 1 month PlayStation Plus. An expansion pack, which is, I'm sure, is DLC or something. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm just gonna set up the PlayStation and then I'll come back up just to show you what it's like to boot up for the first time. Alright, so now the PlayStation 4 has been set up or been plugged in. Obviously not connected yet. So on the first setup, obviously you've got your 2 buttons on the front as well. They're only touchscreen, eject and power. That's what the white one looks like, loading up blue. Got my Xbox One down there. It's taking a while to register. Oh, on the wrong page, never mind. So you gotta press the PlayStation button. English, United Kingdom. Check-in network. Alright, so I've just entered in my Wi-Fi connection. I don't have a PlayStation camera because I'm not interested in it. So I'll skip that. Yep, London. Yep, it's the night. Yep, it's the right time. Automatic playback after. Yeah, leave that on that for now. General applications. I'll do it for an hour. Enable turn on. Yep, have all them on. Accept. Because no one ever reads that. And then there we go. Setup's done. Alright, so then that's it. So thanks for watching.